Hey guys, welcome back to Central City Barbecue. I'm Pitmaster James Cruz. If you notice, I've got sunglasses on because it's bright out here and it's hot as hell. It's about 92 degrees with a heat index of 102. It's summertime in New Orleans. Since it's hot, we're doing some hot chicken today. But in the meantime, check out this background right here. We're downtown New Orleans. We got the Superdome in the background, CBD of the Central Business District. What better view to have while we're cooking some hot chicken? Let's glove up, we'll get started in a second. The first thing we need to do is build a hot chicken seasoning. So I'm gonna start with our Central City Barbecue Sweet Heat. It's the hottest out of the 3 rubs we have on the market right now. So I'm gonna start with a half a cup of the Central City Barbecue Sweet Heat, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of cayenne, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. All right, it's super easy because the Central City Barbecue Sweet Heat has a lot of flavor. It's got a little sweetness to it. It's definitely got some heat. I'm gonna put it in my trusty shaker here. We're just gonna shake it up. Not much to it. That's it. Then we're going with my shaker here. I'm gonna dump it in. Let's season some chicken. All right, so look, let's start with the backs first. I've got a family pack of chicken thighs. I'm not doing a competition trim here, just right out the pack on the pan. Let's get a nice little coating of season all the way across. There's a lot of sound, a lot of noise in this city right now. Construction going on, traffic, planes, everything. Let's get the tops now. Don't worry about going too heavy here. That season is well balanced. It's not gonna blow your face off or anything, but it's really good. Now let's get these tops now. Look at that, nice even coat all the way across. That's all there is to it. We're gonna put these things on a smoker. I've got the Gateway drum fired up at around 300 degrees. It's hot, I'm hot, the city's hot. Let's get started. So I'm running the Gateway with some Blues Hog hog logs and 1 chunk of their barkless hickory chunks. Let's see what we got here. This thing is nice. It's a great grill. Let's put these chicken thighs on here. I'm gonna spread them out evenly. I want them towards the outside of the grate. Let's go all 4 corners first. And then we'll hit these other corners. I want an even cook all the way around. That hickory chunks will put some nice flavor on them. All right guys, we'll come back in about 20-30 minutes to check them out. All right guys, it's been about 30-40 minutes. I'll let it go a little longer. Let's check the chicken out and see where we're at. Come on in. It's starting to get some great color. We're at about 165 these things. I want to take us about 190. So what we're gonna do is, let's meet back at the table. We're gonna make a sauce to baste it with, and we'll be right back. All right, so the sauce we're making is a Nashville hot sauce. It's really like a butter and oil mix with a lot of seasoned paprika and some spices. Let's get started. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna add about a half a cup of unsalted butter. On that cutting board, I had a little seasoning on there. It's no big deal. We got a half a cup of oil. All right. Got a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Got a 1/4 cup of the Nashville hot seasoning that we made earlier. And 2 tablespoons of paprika. And the last ingredient I'm adding is some Louisiana Pepper Exchange puree. I'm going with the orange habanero. You can go with whatever flavor you want. They got some cayenne, they've got some red habanero, chipotle, some jalapeno, some ghost pepper. So it's up to you the heat level you want to add. I'm gonna add about 2 teaspoons of this stuff. This stuff is really potent. It might be really hot, smells great. That is pure pepper and salt right there. I'm adding 2 teaspoons to it. That stuff smells great. What I'm gonna do is I'm just kind of mix it up a little. We're gonna get this on the smoker, let it melt, and we're gonna start basting the chicken with it. All right guys, it's been about 10 minutes. The sauce is melted, it looks really good. Let's baste this chicken. Look at that. It's got some nice color to it. It's got some heat. I've tasted it already. I can't wait to eat this stuff right here. Let me get the rest of these basted up, and we're almost done. All right guys, we're at 196 there. 199, it's a little over, it's all right. 94, I'm gonna baste them one more time. We're taking them off, we're eating them. This chicken looks and smells great. Let's try it out. This stuff looks delicious. Oh my. That stuff's pretty good. And that is juicy, tender. It's got some heat. Whew. I might eat all of these without sharing them with the guys here, but this is some good stuff right here. Hey guys, I'd be lying to you if I told you my lips were numb right now, but let me tell you something, that chicken is delicious. It was super easy to make. I got a family pack of chicken thighs, made a quick Nashville hot rub with a base of my Central City Barbecue Sweet Heat rub with some paprika, some other peppers, blend it all together, put a nice dusting on it, put it on that Gateway drum at around 300 degrees with some hickory wood, let it smoke for about an hour. Then we made that Nashville hot sauce. Basically had some butter, some oil, some more of that Nashville hot rub, and then I added some Louisiana Pepper Exchange 2 teaspoons of that orange habanero. Man, let me tell you something, that adds a kick to it. You could add 3 or 4 if you want. You don't have to add any, and it'll still be delicious. Hey guys, try this at home. Try it in your oven, try it on a grill, try it on a smoker. However you want. It's a super easy recipe to make. It's just one of those great chicken dishes for all you guys out there who love a little kick in your food. Hey guys, look, I love doing these videos. It doesn't matter what I'm surrounded with. This is a beautiful outdoor setting right now. Got the city in the backdrop. Look, follow us on social media. Follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. Follow myself on Facebook and on Instagram. Hit that subscribe button. Keep watching us every week. See you guys later.